not a good time for travel. It is not the opportunity. Extreme winter storm impacts are still expected. But this is such a strong, powerful storm that it's influencing our weather all the way down here. We've got a strong upper. We are going to get absolutely dumped on in the Sierra.
This storm is going to reach a scale of epic proportions in the next couple hours. So I need to prepare to hunker down for at least the next 2 nights, because just tonight it will snow upwards of 60 inches, making it impossible for even the plows to get up here. I'm going to go ahead and make my dessert first, so that I can cool down outside in my little natural fridge. Alright, let's go put that outside to freeze up a lot faster than it would in my fridge. Oh my gosh. snow depth markers just so I can get an accurate measurement in the morning. Doing my best to keep the floors dry. It's crazy to think that this windy, albeit relatively tame, start to the snowstorm is going to turn into potentially one of the snowiest days in the history of the world. It's hard to believe, but hey, I'll believe it when I see it. I can hear the storm picking up some steam outside. Tomorrow is going to be completely insane. But in the meantime, while I'm locked in here, I have some good food to make. Dang it, not the right tool for the job. Can hear the wind just absolutely howling outside. All right, the storm's definitely here. I'm gonna make a run for the bathroom. Wow. I forgot about these poor strawberries. Forgot about these. They're a little snowy, but I'm sure they're still good. Right as I just came back inside, the plowing crew is just clearing the heck out of this parking lot right now. So they're trying to keep up with this, which is very impressive. I'm gonna enjoy eating the rest of these. Tomorrow is a crazy, crazy day. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, get the bed set up, and see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. It's crazy to think that this is less than half of the snow that's gonna fall just today. Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. The snow outside is coming down at an unbelievable rate, and the forecast is saying that it's going to snow 40 inches today and 40 more inches tomorrow. That to me sounds completely unbelievable, but I guess we'll see. Oh, I can hear the snowblower. He's the most important guy on the mountain. His job is to make the edges of the snowbank along the roads and parking lots even and straight, so that the insane amounts of snow we receive every year here, we can actually continue having a place to put the snow. It's an amazing machine, and there's not many of them in California, so they are put to good use. The plan for today is to break out those backcountry bindings, take advantage of the fact that I'm the only person on the mountain, and enjoy this insane powder day before the 60 inches of snow comes down tonight. Probably should have seen that coming. We're really starting to get buried now. This is where it gets real.